Hi friends, this is NMK Vijay and welcome to my YouTube channel Stocks Offers, and this is the pre-market predictions for Nifty using Elliott wave theory. So before we get into this analysis, read my disclaimer. So let's move on to SGX Nifty. So yesterday we discussed about beyond the correction, the 5-way structure is got completed here for the 5th wave, and beyond that wave 1 of this wave 5. So this 4 is completed and we are in the 5th wave, and the 5th wave is also split into the 5-way structure. In that the wave 1 is completed and beyond that wave 2. So whether and I already informed that again there is a retest of this top trend line, the triangle top trend line, and it may retest it and again it could bounce. So as per our expectation, it's already retested and immediately the bounce, but the bounce is also looks like the three-way structure so far. So we didn't know whether this is a three-way structure or it is converted into that 5-way structures later onwards. So for what we have to do is we have to watch for this to break out. Otherwise, there is a lot of chances for the complex correction, as I said, if it is a WXY. So this is a ABC is a ABC is a B, or it could be W, or this could be X, and later onwards this could be a Y wave. Otherwise, if it didn't break the high, the previous high, so this is a 15-minute chart. So within this night evening itself, we may come to the conclusions whether it is going to hit this previous break or not. So if it is not yet broken, there is a lot of chances for making this low to break this low. So this could be a three-way structure, or if it is a flat corrections like this, it could be a 5-way structure to break this low. Later onwards, then the continuation of the third wave of that 5th wave here. But one thing here is this is a one possibility. So what are the next possibility here is it could do like this. Later onwards, it can come into that structure what we expecting, either in the 5-way structure or it could be a 3-way structure, and then it could shoot for this as an irregular flat formation in that wave 2 of wave 5. So remind this is the wave 4 and we are on the wave 5. Wave 5 is also split into 5-way structure. Wave 1 is completed in that wave 2. So I am expecting either it could be a regular flat, means it has to break. If it is a irregular flat, means it can break the previous high and then again it could immediately do this kind of wave formation here. Either it could be a 3-way structure or it could be a 5-way structure. So the second possibility is also done. So what is the third possibility? It can shoot from here itself. That is the third possibility. So it won't break this low also. It can shoot from here itself, the 5-way structures, and that is the continuation of the third wave of the 5th wave. So my expectation, if it is shoot from here, it could reach up to the 18,400 and above also. So how we have to calculate? With the help of the Fibonacci expansions tool, and the wave 1 is completed and this is the rejection of the wave 2, and wave 3 will be the 1618. So the 18,578 is the third wavelength for what I'm expecting. So after that, the 4th wave and the 5th wave, it could be around 18,700 also. So it's all depends upon the wave formation here. So whether the wave 3rd is started or it is still in the head of the 2nd wave. It could be a irregular flat formation or it could be a regular flat formation to break this low. So this is my view in SGX Nifty. But the one thing what we expect it market won't do. So the next possibility in the position is it can do like this. So then, as I said, whether this could be the bigger 4th, the Roman letter in place also. This Roman letter in play also. So this is my view for that coming week also. So only the 2 trading days is available, tomorrow and day after tomorrow in India, and the 15th is the Dasara holiday. So in the 2 days, we come to know whether this is going to shoot for the third wave of the fifth, or it could be that wave second, or it could be the Roman letter 4. So in Nifty also, it is closed below the 18,000 mark, and here it looks like the same. It's already retested this trend line here. Just yeah, perfectly, it already retested this trend line. So now it is going to be a bigger correction, or it is going to shoot for the third wave tomorrow and day after tomorrow. We come to know that. So tomorrow maybe a in this time we come to know whether this is a third wave. Third wave means it can never come to the downside, and it will keep shoots to that 18,400 mark also. So and I correlated to that gold also. Gold is doing coming to the downside, and the dollar is also getting strong here. So let's wait for that. Even the stocks is moving high, and USD JPY is also moving aggressively. For example, I will show you that USD JPY. So it is also doing good. So that means N is weakening. So if N is weakening, means stocks has to move up. Those safe haven currencies, it's not performing well. That means it's a risk is on. So the investments are going to that stock market. That's a risk on. So this is my view in Nifty and SGX Nifty correlated to that currency pairs also. So this is the 70 to 80% only accuracy. So it can do, market can do anything, but we have to, we should be very ready to that, facing that, and to manage the against our positions also. According to our view, it market won't do. Sometimes it can do also. Sometimes it almost our against our view also. So in that time, we have to manage our positions. So thanks for watching, and we will see you in that tomorrow for the next pre-market predictions at the same time. Have a nice profitable day to everybody. Thanks a lot.